Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I thought I would do something a little different. I've been thinking about doing this for a little while and it's going to help me as much as I guess hopefully it will help you. Recently I had a comment, actually the last little bit I've had some comments of some of you missing some of my videos and you know, someone saying, how did I miss this? And you know, I didn't see this on your channel. And it's been sort of the recent projects that I've made. So I thought I would do like a monthly recap of projects that I have shared, things that we've made, and then hopefully if you haven't seen them, I will link those videos below as well. Any questions, comments, of course you can leave them for me and I'll try and get back to you. But thank you so much, those of you that mentioned this, because I didn't know that some of you might be missing the videos. And so let me show you what we've done. So I'm going to go kind of in order of the month of August, and then I'll let you know what we've made. I also have a sneak peek of a project that we'll be working on in the next couple of days. It's a tutorial I'll be sharing with you as well. Okay, so let's get started. So August, at the beginning of August, I showed you how I put together this accordion booklet with all the pieces and everything in it. I actually made a little kit that if you wanted to purchase it, you would get all the pieces to make it. I will link that video below if you haven't seen it. And I really love this project. I'm having so much fun sort of continuing it in a different way. And I'll just be showing you a little bit more, you know, with expanding this a little bit further in the next few videos coming up. I did also share with you my birthday challenge that's going on right now. It's on now till the end of September. I will link that video below, and I've got some videos coming up for that as well. I am so excited and I can't wait for those of you that are joining my swap, my group swaps, to become part of it because it's so exciting. So check out that video. You still have time to enter. I will have all those details below, and thank you all for helping me celebrate my birthday in September. All right, the next one was the quick and easy ephemera holders. These ones I had so much fun making because they are using repurposed, recycled junk mail envelopes. One of my favorite things to do. I have an entire playlist of how I use and how I've used junk mail envelopes, I should say. And so we made one of these in the video. I show you step by step the process. And so I will link that one below. Every video that I have mentioned, I will link it below unless I don't have a video for it, which is actually one item coming up soon. Let's see, we did another one-page wonder, which is like, you know, we came up with like a 6x6 kind of album. And that one was using some of the goodies I received in my Click Kits design, in my Click Kits team project. I apologize if this video is a little strange because I'm trying to film it as well as not do a voiceover. So let's hope this works. The next video we shared was, I shared with you was the Michaels paper pads. I did a flip through of my most recent Michaels paper pads. Plus I also had a quick preview for you of my BB Craft haul. I will be using actually some of those items in a project I'll be showing you very soon. I actually shared this one on Instagram. I didn't share it here because it was just one of those quick makes. And I've made this before. It's like that little tuxedo pocket. I forgot the name of the lady that made this, but I know I saw this on, oh my goodness, I'll remember her name. I saw it on her channel, and oh, Gail Agostinelli is the lady that I saw this. And then she had received this from someone. So anyways, that's where this came from. I do have that tutorial if you want to see it. For this one though, I used my own printables plus some from Digital Collage Club. I love the little polka dots. With Digital Collage Club, I actually have a lot of projects, and I will link below the coupon codes for their shop because I use a lot of their goodies. So look how cute this came out, right? I used one of the little pockets from my Coco and Reno collection, and then these little beautiful butterflies are from a Bobo Bunny collection. And this is my paper. This is from my own vintage French, like actual French from France vintage wallpaper. Look how cute that is, right? So I love how they came out. And then I used just some lovely pieces of paper that I had. So anyways, I did share this on Instagram. If you're not following me there, I will link that below, because sometimes I share quick projects like this on my Instagram when I can't share them, you know, make a full video of them. This is another one of the little Coco and Reno pockets, but I'll have a video of their stuff coming up soon as well, just to show you all the different goodies that I've been playing with their items. Okay, so that's this one here. I did share with you my latest consignment shop journals from a lovely lady by the name of Sharon. I will link that below. The journals are in my shop if you haven't seen them. And then we also made these really cool pockets recently, like book page pockets. And those were made using some of the items I received from Your Creative Studio. And so I'm going to quickly show you the pockets that we made. I did like a quick project share using book pages. I love this quick little project. Before I show you the next projects and to give you a sneak peek of what we will be working on in the next couple videos, I wanted to say thank you to BenQ for sending this light for me to review. I'm going to do a quick review for you, and afterwards we'll continue with what we've made this month and what I'll be making with you for the next couple of videos. It's a tutorial that I'm working on as well. All right, so let me quickly show you the light. Okay, so here's a little view of my space with the BenQ light, the e-reading lamp. And I just want to show you how it looks, the way that it functions, and then I'll give you more of like a flat top-down look of how the lighting actually reflects on my desk. So what I love about it is just a touch to this little ring, and it switches the mode from reading mode to what they call screen reading mode or book reading mode. So there's two of them. So the red one switches to the book reading mode, and then the green for screen reading. And you can see how it pivots. You can move it up and down as you wish. It's heavy. The base is so heavy that I cannot move this without holding the base, and it was just such a heavy base. I'm so happy with it because I know it's going nowhere. It was so easy to install. It just took one little tool to put it together. And I really love the different ways that it can give lighting to my space. And it's, like I said, a one touch, you turn it on and you turn it off. So here's just a top-down look at how the light changes the way that you see my screen. Now you probably can't see that big a difference. I personally can when I'm actually working, and then I can see the difference when there's a lot of shadows and that sort of thing. So I'm so happy that they asked me to review this, because I'm really happy with it. It really has helped me a lot in my craft space to be able to give a lot more lighting to my desk, and I'm able to you know, be able to see a lot better when I'm working at night as well. So it's been so helpful. I really love it. My kids actually really love it because of the you know, the one touch. You can turn it off with one touch, and you can change the modes with just touching it for a couple of seconds, which is fantastic. Now it also says that they have a auto dimming mode, so the lamp automatically provides optimal brightness according to the ambient lighting conditions, and adjusts the color temperature depending on the book reading mode or screen reading mode, which is fantastic, because I think that's why I've been able to kind of switch the lighting modes around when I'm filming. And again, I love how easy it was to put together. I love that it's very sturdy and that you can move it around on the desk. It can go above my screen when I need it out of the way, and I can bring it down as low as I need it when I'm filming. So it's been wonderful. I've been showing you the lighting without any additional lighting in my space, and now I've turned on my ring light a little bit. So I don't even know if you can tell the difference with it or not. That just helps with shadow, so that there's not a lot of shadows when I'm filming. And again, I'm switching the modes from the reading mode to the screen reading mode, just so you can can tell the difference, hopefully, in how it switches. But I'm really happy with it. I am really liking that it's very bright when I need it. I can adjust it with the little knob if I want it brighter, if I want it dimmer. And it also gives you the little options as to the optimal way to put it if you are reading your screen at night or if you are reading a book. So anyways, quick review for you guys. I will have links below to this lovely light, and I'm really happy with it. Truly, truly happy. All right, let's continue with our August project shares and a sneak peek of what we will be working on in the next couple of videos. Yes, so I also shared with you like a mini album and then an album with like stacked pockets. So this one, I really love how this came out. This was part of my Click Kits design team. So I really love this, and many of you have asked for a tutorial on these ones, so I am working on that. You can see all the different pockets of this. I'll have the video again, everything linked below that I am showing you. And what else did we do? I'm just trying to flip through my notes here so I don't forget. We did do a project share as well with some recent items from my Coco Rosa haul, and that one, oh my gosh, yes, I made a bunch of lovely cards with that. I've started making greeting cards as well, like kind of on the side, just as an extra. Sometimes I just want a little time to do something quick and you know that I can get it over with, and I love making cards. So if you're a card maker, leave a comment below and let me know. I might be doing a card swap very soon with some of you. So let me know if you're a card maker. And again, details on my swap are in my giveaway video, which I will link below. Okay, so the project I wanted to show you is what we will be working on in the next video, maybe 1 or 2 videos. I love how this came out. I can't wait to show you a little bit more about it. This is my little sneak peek. Thank you all so much for joining me. Let me know if you like this video of me sharing what I've made for the month, so you can get kind of like a recap in case you missed something. I do have tutorials for mostly everything I've shown you. If I forget something, let me know. Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.